Hello, in front of me I've got SsangYong Rexton. In this video I'll show you how to navigate to points of interest. In the beginning, let's go to navigation and menu. Now, go to back of the list and now select point of interest. You can also select my places and edit your places. Let's for example select petrol station near me, select it and it's done. To stop navigation route, go to menu, current route and clear. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.